When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
Hi guys! So Miss S and I are at Chatty at the moment. I'm going to be heading into Chanel. I'm not sure if I can vlog, but I will try my best. And I'm going to be checking out a couple of the new season bags. I'll try to take you guys with me. Speak to you soon. So this is the Chanel Vanity in the medium size. And it's the inside, so it's pretty roomy. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this bag. It comes in another color too, but... Guys, I just got to show you the two different colors. So this is the white rattan version. Oh my gosh, I don't have a mini vanity. And then this is the darker version. What do you guys think? But it is pretty expensive. I think this is about 13,000 Australian. But so gorgeous. This is another new style that has come in. Very vintage inspired. You see the frame up here. It does sit quite low. This is my hip here, and I'm wearing a crossbody, and it just sits here. I'm wearing a high-waisted skirt, so the length is really long. So it's got the pearl detail there. It is quite interesting. It does also come in the black. But yeah, I kind of wish it sat a little bit shorter. Look at this little cute pink tweed Chanel rectangular mini. I think I've added a mini to my wish list now. As in, oh no, a tweed mini. So cute. So just to show you, the rectangular wok sits slightly longer than the square one. I mean, it looks extra long because my skirt's high-waisted, but my hip bone is here. Case. Look at this little touch of pearl with the CC. This is not the new season, but I just thought I'll show you what's on display since I'm allowed to film today. I'll show you the shoes. I want to try a couple of the shoes on. So very, very bright colors. This is not new though. Reissue and the distressed calf. Not a huge fan of that. Obviously these big beach ball bags, which definitely very novelty. And then this bag here, let's grab it. Cool beach bag, but I don't know if I would wear it that much. What do you think? It's okay, you can be honest. So here are some of the new slides. You know, this season's all about Chanel. And some of the tweed slides. And then this, what do you guys think of this? Let's have a try. So there you go guys, that's what this new slide looks like. It's quite cute. And the denim. How cute are these loafers guys? What do you think? Of course, the classic slingbacks. Not sure about this coral color, but of course you can't go wrong with cream and white. So some of the flats, some of the tweeds. I don't know why, but I just don't really suit their ballet flats. I've never loved Chanel ballet flats for some reason. Just think they look weird on my foot. And I like these better. I think these are much more wearable. The black and the tan, just Chanel with a little bit of perspex heel. Just a little mini heel. They feel very comfortable. So I'll just quickly show you some of the ready to wear. This just hit, which is sort of inspired by the sand, as you can see, the tweed. And this is so cute, this set. I love it. Look at that. Again, the Shah, and then the skirt Nell. More of their tweed. This is probably more plain. I love that this cardigan is so classic. It's a little bit big. This is a 38. I probably need a 36 or probably 36. But there is Chanel on the buttons. And this fabric they always do every season in something. Probably doesn't look really good with what I'm wearing. But you can kind of imagine, right? So this is the cardigan of the season, as you can see. Chanel. It's very cute, very fun. This is a little bit big for me. This is a 38. Normally I am a 36. But just to show you guys, again, does not go with my outfit. But I like that sort of theme that they've got going, you know. Here's some of the jewelry. It's the belt. Jersey walk, and then all the Chanel jewelry. I like the earrings that say Chanel, but Australian didn't get the plain version. I think the bling version might be a bit too much. So I did pick up something from Chanel, as you saw. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I'm very excited. I have been eyeing this piece, so thank goodness they got one in today. Hey guys, so I couldn't wait. I thought I'm just going to film the unboxing because I cannot wait to show you. I actually bought this bag more than 2 weeks ago, so it has been sitting there since I bought it from the store. But I really want to use it tonight, and I thought, no, I'm not going to make you guys wait. I'm just going to show you what I got. So can you guess what bag I bought? Before I unbox it, comment below what you think I got. And yes, I did show it in the vlog. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. So gorgeous black bag with the camellia flower ribbon. Okay, so the story is that I have been eyeing this bag for a while, and I was like sort of umming and ahhing, thinking, oh, should I not? So I thought, no, I need to go in and have a look. And let me just see if I can rip this. Okay, no, it's quite... Okay, see, now it's stuck. Okay, so I need to get some scissors, don't mind me. Let me just open it up because they really wrap this up good. Okay. So I will reveal the price in a second and go through some other countries' prices. So sweet. My SA gave me a couple of extra camellias, and that's always nice. And I got some of the new Chanel cards as well, which I love to collect and sort of make them into sort of like little artwork to display in my closet. And the bag I got is in here. Okay, so let's open it up. Camellia. Oops, I'm too excited. So it is a magnetic box to reveal. Oh, okay. So this is the care booklet that she's beautifully wrapped up. It's just got all the cleaning cloth and all the sort of care instructions. And I'm just gonna rip. So dust bag, you guys can see it. Oh my goodness. Yes, for those of you that know me really well, this is gonna come at no surprise. I got the iconic pearl bag for this season. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at it. So these are pearls all the way around the bag. As you can see, all at the back, all down the bottom. What I do need to mention is that normally when Chanel sells pearl bags, this is really expensive, but it wasn't as expensive as previous years because the body of the bag is actually in satin. Only this part here is in leather and also the inside flap. So it's beautifully wrapped. Okay, let me just take it out. Take all the stuffing out for you. So inside is all lined in satin as well, and it is in a beautiful sort of like champagne gold hardware. Let me just bring it up. It is just gorgeous. Now, one thing that I do need to tell you is that the chain length of this is super long. I'm going to insert a mod shot, and as you can see, I am wearing a high-waisted skirt, but it is so long. But that's easily rectified, guys. I'll show you what I do just to make the chain a little bit shorter. But this is a similar size to the rectangular mini. It sort of looks like it's a tad bigger, but it isn't. I think it's just because of the pearls. So let me just undo this quickly. So as you can see, you can wear it on the shoulder, you can wear it crossbody, but as the strap is so long, what I normally do, and this is what I do with my other rectangular mini, is that I like to wear these bags on the shoulder. And because I find it a little bit long, all you need to do is gather these two chains up together like this. And then just with a little bit of leftover Chanel ribbon, you just tie it together. And that way it won't harm the leather inside the bag. Just quickly do it. So as you can see, I've just tied it up that way, and it doesn't affect what you put inside the bag, doesn't take up any extra room, and voila! It sits beautifully as a shoulder bag now. So that's just my little tip for you. And you can wear it, you can just hold it like that as a clutch too, or underneath your arm, because it's quite sort of mushy. And of course, if you want to, you can wear it crossbody. And I know this type of bag, even though it seems so embellished, I would still wear it with what I'm wearing now. I would wear it with denim. I'm not just going to use this as an evening bag. I'm going to use it all the time. Now, to reveal price, this is a pretty expensive bag. And for those of you wanting to know, these pearls are imitation pearls. From what my sales associate told me, they're actually glass pearls. So in Australia, this bag is $6,990. And I thought this was so useful to let you know some other countries what the price is. And what I found super interesting was that from my research, just from the few sort of countries, this bag is actually the cheapest in Hong Kong dollars. So I'm just going to put a little chart up here to go through the pricing. As you can see from my chart, in Hong Kong dollars, it's 35,400 Hong Kong dollars. And then when I put it into my XE chart, that compared to Australia, US, UK, Europe, and even Singapore is the least expensive. Now, this is just recommended retail. I'm not talking about if you're a traveler and you can go get VAT refund or anything like that. As you can see from the chart, guys, I've listed from least expensive to most expensive. This is just recommended retail price. As you can see, the least expensive is Hong Kong, and I've put the Australian equivalent in brackets next to it, and the most expensive is USA because most of the time you need to pay tax. And this is just from my knowledge as of April 2019 from the Chanel website. I thought this would be really useful information because I know a lot of you like to know price. And so that is the price for this beautiful pearl bag. And you guys know how dressy I am, and I love pearls, I love florals. So this is right up my alley. And I'm just so glad that I can add this to my collection. So that is it, guys. That is my quick reveal of my new Chanel pearl bag. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.